Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trading on Robinhood and ready to cash out your earnings, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account step by step. This process is straightforward, but it's always good to double check to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you're logged into the Robinhood app or website. If you don't have it yet, download the app from your phone store. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're in, head to the bottom of the screen on the mobile app and tap on the Account tab. On the website, look for the account icon in the top menu. In the Account section, scroll down until you find Banking or Transfers. This is your gateway to moving money. Tap on it and you'll see options for deposits and withdrawals. Select Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep in mind, Robinhood has a minimum withdrawal amount, usually as low as 1 cent, but always check for any updates. Next, choose the bank account where you want the money to go. Make sure it's already linked to your Robinhood account. If not, you'll need to add it by entering your bank details like your routing and account numbers. Once everything looks good, review the details for accuracy. This includes the amount, your bank info, and any potential processing time, which is typically 1 to 5 business days. Hit Confirm to finalize the withdrawal. Robinhood doesn't charge fees for this, but your bank might, so keep that in mind. A quick tip: double-check your bank details to prevent delays or errors. Also, if you're withdrawing a large amount, you might need to verify your identity for security reasons. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from Robinhood. It's that simple. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.